Welcome to Workshop Rebuild. Today we have a new project over here, so come along. I have to open the door. This right here is our new project. It's a Bolens HT20. This is a really big garden tractor, and they only made it for a certain amount of years, and it's a very special make. It's by Bolens, and it's a really awesome machine, and we'll get into it very soon. It's 20 horsepower, as I already said before, and it has a lot of cool functions, and the coolest thing is it's hydraulically driven right here, so you can creep up onto things really nicely. And it has a rear PTO, I believe a 3-point hitch as well, so it's really cool. This is the engine right here. This right here is a Kohler engine. It has 2 cylinders, and it's actually a really big engine. So we're gonna tear into this really soon. We're gonna get the carburetor cleaned up, we're gonna get the magneto and the coil all cleaned up, and hopefully we can get this thing running. Mosquitoes! Okay, so we'll show you some functions over here which this little tractor has. On the top left we have the choke lever right here. Then we have some lights over here, which is the oil pressure gauge and the transmission temperature. Beside that we have the hydraulic controls, which is for floating your equipment, and the auxiliary right here. Behind the steering wheel, or in front of the steering wheel, we have the light switch. We have our key right here. We have our throttle for the engine right here. And then on the bottom, we can engage the PTO right here. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Workshop Rebuild, because we're going to have a lot of builds here in the future, and the Bobcat video of how to operate it will be out very soon, so stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for our next build, which is the Bolens HT20 right here.